From the clothes you wear to the bikes you ride, materials are everywhere. But have you ever wondered why the fabric of your favorite shirt drapes? Why the rubber of the tires can withstand high pressures? How they work? How they're produced? Finding the answer to these questions is the job of a materials engineer.
Materials engineers understand the relationship between material behavior, structure, and how they're processed. They understand their properties, like what makes them strong, flexible, heat-resistant, how they fail. They explore how to obtain these qualities while minimizing adverse effects. This is done throughout their life cycle, and that begins after being mined from the ground.
Extraction involves isolating desired material from a waste product. This can be done by dissolving metals out of rocks and recovering them in their pure form. The importance of metals such as copper during the electrification of our world has created the need for more effective extraction methods. This has led to new technological innovations, which UBC's own research groups have been at the forefront of.
Manufacturing focuses on ensuring the produced material meets design specifications. They focus on how temperature, process speed, amongst other factors, affect the quality of the final product. Research and development in this field has led to the practical application of materials with superior properties, helping tackle humanity's greatest engineering challenges.
While many of us see the materials around us, we may even find them within ourselves. The field of biomaterials has helped millions worldwide recover from injury and illness by creating materials which are unreactive or safely react with the human body. In Canada, tens of thousands of hip replacement surgeries are performed each year. The enhanced durability of biomaterials has reduced the number of required surgeries per patient, improving countless Canadian lives.
If we look beyond the clouds and into the stars, materials engineering becomes even more prominent. From the composites in aircraft wings to the metal alloys in aircraft fan blades, materials engineering has helped families fly safe and will help humans venture where none have ventured before.
From the very depths of the earth to the planes in the sky, the influence of materials engineering can be seen almost anywhere. It helps extract, enhance, heal. Materials engineering shows how even the smallest of changes can cause large effects over time.